Hello, this is De'Belle Makeovers. You're welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, you're very welcome. So before we get started, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you. So if you would like to see how we created the look you saw at the beginning of the video, let's get started. I started by cleaning her face with micellar cleansing water. You want to make sure that the face is rid of every oil or dirt before you apply your makeup. Then next I went in to hydrate her skin with this Kiss Beauty Prime and Fine spray. It's like a hydrating spray which helps to really hydrate the skin. Then next I went into moisturizer. You want to make sure that you're applying your makeup on a smooth and supple canvas. You don't want to apply your makeup on dry flaky skin. After moisturizing, I went into primer, and for this look I used the Rimmel Stay Matte primer, which I applied on her T-zones and the areas where she tends to oil out before going into foundation. For foundation, I used the Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 356 for this look. It has a beautiful orange undertone which looks very great on caramel skin. So I'm blending it in with the beauty sponge right now. And once I've blended it to my satisfaction, I go into contouring. For contouring, I use the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 375, which I'm blending into the whole of her cheeks. Then I'll move up into the temple area. Once I've blended that as well, then I will go into highlighting. For highlighting, I also used Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. So I used Maybelline Super Stay Foundation for all the skin work for this look. I used the shade 330 to highlight her face, and for the inner corner of her eye I used the shade 310 because I wanted that area to be a little bit brighter before I blended it in with the beauty sponge. Now I'm setting the highlighted areas with powder. I'm using this pressed powder from Black Up Paris in the shade TW01 to set the highlighted areas, and then I'll go over the whole face with the exact powder shade. I used the MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45 to set the whole face. Now that I'm done with the skin work, I'm going in with another setting spray to set the whole look and remove every powdery feel before starting the brows. If you are not new to this channel, you know I have about 3 eyebrow tutorials on this channel already, so I don't like to dwell on eyebrows when I'm doing a makeup tutorial. I'll leave the link for the eyebrow tutorials in the video here and also in the description box so you can check them out. Before starting my eyeshadow, I went ahead to bake the face. So I applied RCMA setting powder under eyes. Basically, the areas where I highlighted, I applied the setting powder there. The one under her eyes will also help me to catch any fallouts that might fall from the eyeshadow I'm applying on her eyes. So I started by blending a matte wine color into a crease color. That I wanted that to serve as my transition shade before going into a very dark brown color to deepen her crease, after which I went into an orange shade for the edges. That's the area closest to the brow bone. Now I'm using eyeshadow base to cut her crease. I'm cutting across all the colors that I applied on her crease area, and I'm using my fingers to blend out the edges. So I'm applying this green eyeshadow from Blossom eyeshadow palette on the lid. After blending it on the lid, I applied some glitter primer on it, and I went in with a green pigment just to make the eyes more intense. I also popped the tear duct area with some gold eyeshadow just to make the inner corner of the eye brighter. Then I went in to line and fixed my lashes.
Every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do.
Next, I'm applying blush and also highlighter on her face, and then I went into lipstick application. I did a nude lips which I lined with a brown lipstick.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Filling up with my broken pieces, took 'em all and made 'em yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
What do you love most about this look? Is it the eyes? Is it the brows? Is it the skin? Is it the lips? Let me know in the comment section. If you love this tutorial, if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.